So let's talk now about the investments then. So clearly you're making this change, you're working on new processes, you're learning new things, and that means again you are going to need. What does that mean? Does that mean you need a different new training for your staff? Do you need more staff, new staff? How did that change the mix of people that you have? What kind of new software did you need? Did that mean new hardware, software as a service, software in-house? What were some of the consequences in terms of your business investments that need to take place? And then again, maybe some of the structural changes that took place,
Right.
both from an organization and just from a logisticsy, hardware-y, infrastructure.
Right. Well, there definitely was a lot of changes that were needed. Luckily, there wasn't a tremendous amount of upfront financial investment. A good amount of time investment. When I kind of understood where we were headed, just kind of sat down and came up with the image of what I wanted this to look like inside the agency. So there was a good bit of time investment in the beginning, of just kind of working through the different software companies. And really that's what brought me to VanillaSoft in the beginning was that I reached out to them, and I know this isn't necessarily a commercial for VanillaSoft, but it's the truth. I reached out to them, and from day one they were like, okay, well, look, we can get something set up right now today, and let you start working on it, and then we're going to put you with someone that can understand what it is that you're trying to do, and we'll work with you to get this built. So for someone that didn't really have a huge IT background, that was really nice, and helpful in getting that in the beginning. So I think mainly it's not necessarily a very large financial investment. It is something, though, that you have to sit down as the owner or as the manager or as the person in charge of this project, and really invest your own time